Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your full name and also your cash tag insides of Cash App. Changing your name, how other users send and request money from you is super easy. You can change your name to whatever you like and as many times as you like. But you can only change your cash tag, the name other will send to two times after the initial name that you set. So make sure here that you choose one that you want to use for a while. Another thing to remember, anytime you change your name, anyone who had your old name will need to know your new one. When you are ready to change your name, open the Cash app and from any screen tap your profile icon at the top right. Once you are on your profile page, select personal. We'll start by changing our full name at the top. Tap your name and then edit or change it what you want it to be. When you are finished, tap done. Now when I head back to my profile page, you can see that my name has been updated. Now to change your cash tag, head back into personal and then this time select your name under cash tag. Enter the new tag that you want to make sure that it's available. If the tag is already taken, it will let you know. When you have one that's available, hit set. You will then get a prompt asking you if you are sure and that you only have a limited amount of times that you can do this. I've never changed mine, so it's telling me that I can do this two more times. Hit confirm. Your cash tag will then be changed. And again remember, once you make these changes, you'll need to let people that you use Cash App with know the new names in order to connect in the future. And that's it. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.